I'm Dominique Balloy, I'm a vet, and my education had been in the vet school in Alfort in Paris, in France, from 1987-9 to 1983. But after that, I joined for complementary studies, Pastoral Institute for Microbiological Studies and Education. In 1995, I had the opportunity to join a vet practice specialized in poultry, that is Labovet, which is located in Vendée. And from the beginning, my goal and my interest had been to join the lab experience expertise and field expertise in order to produce the best quality and safe food for human beings in the respect of animal welfare. My first experience had been in 1994 when a pharmaceutical company proposed to me to present for vets attending a meeting two topics. One of them had been the role of mycoplasma in poultry, and the second topic had been the development of vet practices in France dedicated for poultry. And so when I presented to this meeting, two vets was joining me at the end of the presentation and proposed me to develop with them a new lab practice, a new lab dedicated to poultry, and a new vet practice also in Morocco. And so, following this event and this meeting, I and the staff of our two sisters company of Cristal Group, that are RC Services and Razor Lab, we worked for 20 years in a friendly and efficient way to set a new practice and a new lab dedicated for poultry in Morocco. Then after this experience, I had developed a network of different people from over the world, and as I've been specialized in poultry, I had many occasions to have visiting some countries in North Africa, in Middle East, in Southeast of Asia, in South America, and also in Europe. My main clients abroad are vet pharmaceutical industry or directly the poultry companies abroad. And the requirement they have to me is to improve the productivity and the quality of the food product to produce safer and healthier products for human beings. The reference for all these companies abroad is the high standard of safety and healthy control of the food that we have in Europe. So, for example, in South America, for the last 20 years, I had a follow-up of a poultry company. This poultry company is producing around 80 million broilers a year. And I share with them my experience in the salmonella control to decrease the salmonella positive products at the end of the food chain. So I share my experience with different people in this company, from the hatchery to the processing plant. I had helped them to set efficient and skilled lab for salmonella control. But after I work on the breeders and the hatchery, also the feed mills and the farms, it had the processing plant to have a better and safer control of salmonella. Access services, because antibiotic is our DNA. This modern concept is an accordance about the requirements of human being and the societal requirements that is going over the world in many countries. This concept is developing two pillars. The first of them is the respect of animal welfare, and the second one is the prudent use of antibiotics, which is a requirement to control antibiotic resistance risk. And about them, we are developing and sharing our experience about biosecurity, setting new schedule for vaccine plans, for example, controlling the zootechnical parameters in the farms, controlling the food processing, and obviously the biosecurity in all the food animal production chain. And if we respect all these parameters, we were producing, it's necessary to produce for over the world for the incoming years, cheap, but also safe and of high standard quality food for human beings.